Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Burton. I'm the creator of Crystal Wave Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I don't want to do this video right now because I've done too many today and I have a lot of work to do. But this is just to back up and prove something, and it's a shame that we still have to do this. After all the technology and all the different ways we showed on how we design and how we work, we still have to do demonstrations such like this because we have a lot of people, we're not saying a lot of people, we have some individuals that are filtered with so much hate for our technology that they constantly have to downgrade what we do. Alright, so first things first, let me show you the projector I'm using. ViewSonic 1080p projector. This is 3200 lumen projector. We are 14 feet away from the screen. Keep in mind, my projector is not sitting right up on top of my screen. Now let me show you something. This is the settings that I'm going to be streaming the video in. So I'm going to go in. We're going to mind it's a 1080p projector, so we're going to do it in 720p. So now it's set for 720p. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to broadcast it. Right now I'm going to come over here where it's being broadcasted on my projection screen. Now this right here is our ECLIPSE Invisible, the ECLIPSE Invisible Black Silver. Now, as somebody's saying, hey look, and I guess in this demonstration, he basically states that a black projection screen is a lot of, don't be suckered, there's a good way for you to be fooled. Let me show you something. Number one, the video is playing 720p. Now, let me go over here. This is a remote control to my ViewSonic. I'm going to go over to the menu settings. We're going to zoom up really close. In the menu settings, right? We're going to go over, let me get a little closer to the screen so you see this. We're going to go over to where it says, let's see. Alright, reset. Now, the reset on the projector pretty much will reset any of the settings. See right there? That's going to reset all the settings on the projector right back to the factory settings. Alright? So there we go, reset, successful. So now my screen is back to the original settings in the projector. Now, I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to go over here. I want you to check out the corner of the screen. And we are going to hit over here where we have Eco Mode. We're going to put the projector, oops, wrong button. Let me go back over here at this again. All right, I gotta be quick on this Eco Mode change. Okay, we got it in Eco Mode, see? So now we have an Eco Mode. So now my screen is in, this is a black screen, well actually black silver. It is in it's actually shooting in 720p on a 1080p projector. It's in Eco Mode and it's been set back to the factory default settings. So that means everything is back the way it is. If it was set to begin with, nothing was set on my projector to begin with. All my projectors are still in the factory default settings. We are 14 feet away from the screen. Mind you, we're not up on top of the screen. I have my window fully open. There's light cascading in. I have overhead condensed lighting. And I can do the same demonstration. I can walk around my environment and my screen will pick up. I understand you have some people out there that find it hard to believe that somebody can develop technology such like this, but it can be done. Now, first of all, I'm a strong believer of God, Jesus Christ. I believe that all things are possible, and there's nothing that you can't do if you put your mind and your heart on His path. That's what I believe. So this is my technology. We stand behind it 100%. You watch me sit here and do this demonstration 14 feet back. I reset all my settings on my projector. None of them were changed to begin with. I have the projector set to Eco Mode right now. And we have all this light hitting the screen. And just to show you how much physical light is hitting the screen, I'm going to block one half of it. You see light here. Block the other half. We see light here. Now mind you, if your screen is having a problem picking up, sitting at least 3 feet or maybe 2 feet from the screen, then that's the screen's problem, not the projector's problem. And just to add insult to injury, I'll go a little step farther. I'm going to open up my door here. As I usually do. My neighbors are like, what is he doing now? What is he doing now? Alright, so we got the door open. Curtain behind the door. Alright. And there you are. There's my screen right there. So I do apologize if others feel that basically that our technology is that good and people want to basically slander what we do. I feel sorry for you, I really do. But we don't have to go through that. Technology is very, very good. There you are. Let me go back over here real quick. Like I said, there's my button. Eco mode. I'm gonna hit it right now, and you'll see it right up here. We'll zoom right on in. You'll see that it's on now. That's in standard. That's in eco mode. There you go. Well, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain, showing you how amazing our technology is, even in a fully lit room, even with the projector. The video is set to 720p on a 1080p projector. Eco mode, everything set back to its factory default settings. It still looks fantastic. I'd like to thank you all for your time. Thank you all for your support, and I gotta go. Oh, hold on. Let's show you what it looks like in eco mode with the lights out. All right, thank you all again.